Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain the brainstorming activity E2 in 3.4 statement of purpose. So what is brainstorming E2? Let's start. You must have decided your aim in life. Which institute or university would you like to join for your diploma or graduation? Write a statement of purpose as a part of your application to the institute or university. So we can write the answer of above question. I would like to graduate in history from Birkbeck College under the University of London. Given below is my statement of purpose attached as a part of my application. Statement of purpose. For me, history was just a list of monarchs, a catalogue of wars, and a chronicle of dynasties. All this changed when I reached the 8th standard. I was then fortunate to study history under a dynamic teacher. He changed my perspectives. I realized that there is a social history and economic history. There is history of science and ideas. The tipping point came when my teacher introduced me to the Bhakti movement. I realized that I belong to the land of saints, Maharashtra. The lives of saints fascinated me. I dwelled deep into books to know more about their work and time. I read about Sant Namdev, Sant Jnaneshwar, Sant Eknath, Sant Tukaram, and Sant Ramdas. What I gained, of course, was very precious. My fascination with the subject grew by each passing day. My aim in seeking admission to your college is that you have a very good department in South Asian history. I know that the late eminent historian Eric Hobsbawm taught in your college throughout his career. Likewise, the famous R.J. Evans and Roy Foster were once members among your faculty. So I am hopeful that I would get a chance to learn under world-class teachers once I get into your esteemed institution. My broad plan is to have a sound grounding in the medieval socio-economic history of India during my graduation years and then move on to the Bhakti movement during my postgraduate studies. Doctoral and postdoctoral research would be focused on the life and work of single saint. I am an avid reader. I hope my exposure to saint literature in Marathi will stand me in good stead. I am a state level chess player. Chess, as per the game theory, is a full information game. Your opponent see on the board as much as you see. However, the patient search for possibilities pay the dividend. The player processes the various permutations and combinations and finally makes that unique move the winning move. I am sure that I have it in me. I worked as an amateur research assistant to Dr. Pense while he was working on his monumental work on Bhakti movement. I also have a diploma in indexing books in humanities. I earnestly hope that an exposure to the excellent academic atmosphere prevailing in your prestigious institution will bring forth the best in me and thus allow me to contribute my might to the rich cultural heritage of my land. This is one of the example or sample of the statement of purpose as a part of your application to the institute or university given on given topic. So you can write more samples, more examples on various topics given to you. If you want to see the similar videos, if you want to watch the similar videos, subscribe our channel. If you want to get more and more videos of our channel, then press the bell icon. If you like this video, hit like. If you have any complaint, any suggestion, any reply, write it in comment box. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Thank you. Thanks a lot.